Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Mr. Bahadur from the FameAcademy of English Language and you are watching the Fame Battle of Brains. And I'm here with another student, Miss Kalsoom from level 3. Miss, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, Miss, my first question is from you. What's the smallest country in the world?
Vatican City.
Vatican City is the correct answer. My next question is, what's the current literacy rate of Pakistan?
60%.
60%. Let's move to another question. My next question is, how many years did Mughal ruled in subcontinent?
1526 to 1857.
That's great. The very next question is, who gave the ideology of two nations theory?
Sir Syed Ahmed Khan.
Sir Syed Ahmed Khan is the correct answer. Okay, miss, my next question is, what was the old name of Medina?
Yasrab.
Yasrab was the old name of Medina. Who had given the title of Saifullah?
Hazrat Khalid bin Walid.
Hazrat Khalid bin Walid is the correct answer. Let's jump to another question. In which Ummah Allah had sent 70,000 prophets?
Bani Israel.
Bani Israel is the correct answer. My second last question is, who introduced the Hijrah here?
Hazrat Umar.
Hazrat Umar. How many bones are there in human body?
206.
206 is the correct answer. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. I hope you must have enjoyed and must have gotten information from our show. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.